SBI goes digital, enroll easily in PM insurance schemes. SBI has introduced a self-subscribing process for Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana schemes. SBI customers can now enroll in these insurance schemes without visiting a branch by inputting their account number and date of birth on the Jan Suraksha portal. The self-subscribing journey generates the certificate of insurance instantly upon payment of the premium. 73% increase in self-monitored credit scores. Many Indians are now checking their credit scores on their own, up by 73% in 2023, according to a report by TransUnion CIBIL. This surge is helping people to secure better loans and manage their debts effectively. A study found that 92% of Indians believe it's important to keep an eye on their credit scores, with 39% saying it's extremely important. MSME Minister announces Rs 20 Lakh scheme. MSME Minister launches a scheme for collateral-free loans up to Rs 20 Lakh for informal micro-enterprises exempt from GST. CGTMSE provides up to 85% guarantee cover for unsecured loans to UJIM-registered informal micro-enterprises. As of reporting, 1.41 crore informal micro-enterprises are registered on the UJIM portal out of a total of 3.74 crore registered MSMEs. India's AI market to reach $17 billion by 2027. India's AI market is set to reach $17 billion by 2027, growing at an annual rate of 25 to 35% between 2024 and 2027, according to a NASSCOM and BCG joint report. India currently has over 420,000 employees in AI job functions, with the highest skills penetration in AI among surveyed countries. IT companies, including Wipro, have allocated significant budgets for AI training, startup investments, and capability expansion. Rs 600 crore revenue from Aadhaar-PAN penalties. The Indian government collected Rs 601.97 crore in fines from individuals who failed to link their PAN with Aadhaar by the June 30, 2023 deadline. Despite the mandatory linking initiative, approximately 11.48 crore PANs remain unlinked with Aadhaar as of January 29, 2024. The government's drive aimed to ensure PAN-Aadhaar linkage for all individuals, with exemptions granted for certain categories. Rs 2000 note withdrawal slows currency growth to 3.7%. Currency in circulation growth slowed to 3.7% for the week ending February 9, impacted by the withdrawal of Rs 2000 banknotes by the RBI. Commercial banks reported double-digit growth in deposits in January, influenced by the withdrawal of Rs 2000 currency notes. Reserve money growth declined to 5.8% as of February 9, 2024, compared to 11.2% a year ago. Razorpay surpasses $150 billion transaction. Razorpay achieves a $150 billion annualized total payment volume and unveils an AI-driven chatbot and Payment Gateway 3.0 for enhanced buyer journeys. India's person-to-merchant payments market is projected to hit $4 trillion by 2030, with the country becoming the world's third-largest economy with a $7 trillion GDP. Razorpay introduces India's first UPI-led dynamic QR device supporting QR-based and contactless tap card payments. Zurich Insurance acquiring 70% stake in Kotak General. Zurich Insurance to acquire a 70% stake in Kotak General for Rs 5,560 crores in a single tranche, amending the earlier proposal. The revised deal includes both primary and secondary acquisitions, deviating from the initial plan of a 51% acquisition with an additional 19% later. Competition Commission of India approval was received on February 6 for Zurich's acquisition of a 70% stake in Kotak Mahindra General Insurance. Google Pay shuts doors in US, no impact on India. Google announces the discontinuation of Google Pay in the US, shifting users to Google Wallet for a streamlined experience. The Google Pay app in the US will become unusable from June 4, 2024. Google Wallet, with higher usage, will maintain features like in-store tap-to-pay and payment method management. After June 4, 2024, US users can manage funds and make transfers via the Google Pay website. Paytm ready to resume operations in March. Paytm plans to resume digital lending operations with partner banks and NBFCs in the first week of March. The initial plan was to resume on March 1st, but ongoing discussions have led to a slight delay. The platform collaborates with entities like Shriram Finance, HDFC Bank, and others to offer personal loans and credit cards. Generative AI reshaping the future of Indian finance. 61% of financial firms expect generative AI to significantly enhance their value chain's efficiency and market responsiveness. The report indicates that 78% of surveyed firms have either implemented AI or plan to pilot it within the next year. Generative AI's potential impact on gross value added in financial services ranges from 22% to 26%, adding $66 to $80 billion by 2030.